Hi, I'm Pam. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a delicious recipe for Passover, a chocolate chip cookie like no other. At the Seder, we asked, why is this night different from all other nights? And today we're going to ask, why are these Passover chocolate chip cookies different from all other chocolate chip cookies you may have had at Passover? These are so good you'll want to eat them and bake them with your family all year long. In order to make this delicious recipe, I have these ingredients, which I had on hand in my pantry, but I'm not sure you all will. So usually you can find cake meal, potato starch, chocolate chip and margarine that are kosher for Passover, as well as oil, which you can substitute for the margarine. The secret ingredient is a kosher for Passover vanilla pudding. This may be harder to find. I don't see why you couldn't substitute a chocolate pudding mix that you might have in your pantry. I'm sure that chocolate chip cookies will work just fine. So, to make this recipe, you will need 2 sticks of margarine. That would be 1 cup. 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. 2 eggs. 1 cup of cake meal, 1/4 cup of potato starch, 1 package of the vanilla pudding, a teaspoon of baking soda, which I did not include on my table here, a 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of chocolate chip, which are semi-sweet. You'll want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and like most chocolate chip cookie recipes, you will want to cream the butter, margarine, or oil. That would be 2 sticks or 1 cup with the brown sugar and the regular sugar. Once that is done, you will add 2 eggs, 1 at a time, mixing till combined. After that, you will add the dry ingredients, the cake meal. Another good substitute during these days where I'm not sure how our supermarkets will be stocked, you can substitute almond flour or regular flour. You will then add the potato starch, the salt, the baking soda, and the pudding mix. The pudding mix will keep these cookies moist and light. The last ingredients you'll add will be the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 cups of chocolate chip. I'm going to show you how I put the batter onto a cooking dish. I have some right here. I like to use either parchment paper or foil on a cookie sheet, and I use this cookie scoop. The cookies will spread, so I'm doing 6 at a time. Oops. That will be just fine. One trick that helps is to chill this batter before doing the scooping. You've already preheated your oven to 350, and you're going to bake for 10 to 12 minutes if you like a soft and chewy cookie, or 12 to 15 minutes for a more crispy, crunchy one. I'm just going to put this in the oven now. Now I'm going to put the cookies in the oven. I'm going to take the cookies out of the oven now. They've been in for 14 minutes because I wanted a crispy cookie. They look great. Let the cookies cool for 10 minutes. To find this recipe, check the Freeburg JCC website. Have a happy and healthy Passover. Enjoy.